Hi, I'm Tim Berglund with Confluent. This is an introduction to Confluent Platform Security Part 2. I'm going to walk you through the setup of the project we'll be using to demonstrate the security features of the Confluent platform. I'm using the master demo project that we have in GitHub. That's Confluent Inc./cpdemo on GitHub, known affectionately to the world simply as cpdemo. You should clone that repo. The README has a link to the official docs, but the good news is I'm running you through the steps in the docs right now. Now, recall briefly the components of the Confluent platform. You've got Kafka brokers, Kafka Connect, Confluent Schema Registry, KSQL, Replicator, Confluent Control Center, and any other possible clients. In cpdemo, all of these are configured to be secured, and that security includes encryption. Remember when I said encryption requires key pairs? Well, that's why we have to run this script to set up the key pairs. It creates all the necessary keys and the self-signed certificate and adds them to the trust stores and key stores that the components of the demo will use. I'm not going to walk through those steps here, but I do recommend you read through that script if you're interested, maybe on your second pass through the demo. Now, you're going to need Docker running for this to work. If you don't already use Docker, I'm going to leave that install process as an exercise for the student, but trust me, it's well worth it here. It makes running this demo vastly simpler. Note that I'm using Mac OS, so I'm running the Docker Community Edition for Mac. That means we can run simply docker compose up-d and have all of the many containers download and start up in the background. Lots of work being done there for us. Then one more step. We run the setup scripts in the scripts directory. This is going to configure some Kafka Connect connectors, start KSQL, run some queries, do some configuration in Confluent Control Center, and other things. Again, I'll skip the details here, but the script is there for you to study when you want, maybe on your second time through these steps. With that, we have a fully working and secured Kafka cluster. All clients are using their configured keys and certificates for SSL encryption, and SASL with the plain mechanism for authentication. That's all set up. We've configured some super users that are fully authorized to access the entire cluster as well, and we'll see how those work in the next video. And to be clear, we did that just for this demo. That might be a little scary in a production cluster. If you're going through all the trouble to use security features to begin with, you probably don't want that super person who can do anything. In any case, we're all set up. Next up, we'll start talking to our cluster and using the security features of the platform. Check out the next video for that.